Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an all-in-one bot for yourself in just 2 minutes. By the way, this bot is made with Discord.js version 14. So at first join our Discord server to get the source code. You will find the server link in the description box. So after getting the link, fork this REPL. Now open config.json file. Now come to Discord developer portal and create a new bot. You will find the link in the description box. Now make sure to enable those 3 instances. Now invite this bot to a server that you want to use as a developer guild. Now copy that server ID and add it to the developer guild ID. Now you have to add your MongoDB URL, so if you want to create one, you can create one by watching this video. You will find the link in the description box as well as the iCard. Don't use any previously used MongoDB or public MongoDB. Use any clean or new MongoDB. So after you added the MongoDB URL, then go to the secret tab and write token in lowercase. Now come to Discord developer portal and copy your bot token. Now add this copied bot token to the value file in Replit secret tab. Now run this source code. So our project is running. Let's check it's working or not. So I'm not going to show you all the commands, explore it by yourself. So let's see how you can make your bot 24/7. To make it 24/7, copy the URL you will get after running this project. Now come to your Freshbing dashboard and click on Add Check. Now paste the copied URL into the check URL field and give it a friendly name. Now scroll down and click on Add Check. So that's it for this tutorial. Small reminder, all important links are given into the description box. Subscribe for more. Bye.